is Himani. So right now, currently, I am located in Punjab. So I did my BCom from basically Chandigarh from Punjab University. I got my post graduation degree in online from IMT Ghaziabad in finance. So, but I got a sales job, which was in edtech industry. So I did a sales job basically for a 6 month. So, but I did well in the sales job, but I was not happy with the job also. I was even basically got promoted also, like got the offer of the promotion also. But then due to some circumstances, I left the job because of personal reasons. Then I got actually married. Then actually I was a food influencer also. So I did well in my social media platform. So I've always had an interest in the social media marketing. So then I decided basically plan was earlier to do a business, then that didn't go as well, so I decided to make a career in digital marketing. So like even on the Instagram I had 20K plus followers with organic marketing throughout my page, throughout my journey basically. So then I was searching for digital marketing. Basically I did a search on Google itself. So I was searching all the courses, all the platforms who did online, who actually is giving the online courses. So after all the searches like on Quora, so I decided to choose Digital Vidya because it was economical. Also it was basically offering us a paid internship as well. After the course it will I eventually got the two unpaid internships as well, because I think practical exposure is very important when it comes to digital marketing. So even the trainers are very basically they are very helpful. So I got a basic knowledge of every SEO, SEM, every lessons. So I think it's doing well for me. I want to basically pursue my career in SEO. Even if in SEO, if I don't get the chance, I will go with SEM. Both are fine for me because I think both will work for me. So